I need to prune my Encore azaleas, but I
Okay.
don't know if I can do that before next spring's bloom.
Okay.
Can you please tell me the correct time or times to prune Encore azaleas? And this is Yvette from Memphis, Tennessee.
Tennessee.
So when is the correct time
Well,
for her to prune
normally,
Encore?
Encore normally bloom in the springtime,
Okay.
and again
in
in
the
fall.
fall.
Yeah,
Right.
they bloom normally twice in there.
Okay.
But the ideal time be the best time to prune those after they first bloom
Right.
in the springtime.
Right.
You want to spring in there.
Right.
It might slow your fall bloom down just a little bit in there, but you go prune them in the fall. If you don't do it at the right time and they put some new growth on there, and the cold weather hit, it could damage your plant.
Oh, definitely can.
It damage your plant. Then you will have less blooms in the springtime. So the ideal time be the best time to prune that in the springtime. Once they finish blooming now, you might be slack on your second bloom, but if you prune early enough when they finish blooming, they might have time to set more buds on there.
Okay.
In there, yeah, but the Encore they normally bloom twice in there.
Bloom twice. Yeah, my mom has Encore azaleas at home. She's always asking me this question, so this could be my mom's question. But anyway, yeah, after they finish blooming in the spring is when you should prune those.
Prune, yeah.
Not in the summer.
Not in the summer.
Not in the fall.
Not in the fall, yeah.
All right. So for maximum bud set, it has to be after they finish blooming in the spring.
In the springtime, yeah.
Yeah. Any other time, you're not going to have blooms the next spring.
Right. Then you're upset. We get that call a lot of
We
times.
do get it called a lot. So
when they prune those plants in there.
that's right.
Yeah,
That's right.
yeah.
Good question though. So there you have it.
That's a
Yvette.
good question, yeah.
Okay. Spring. After they finish blooming.
After they finish blooming, yeah.
All right, there you go. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.